Hey, I'm Guido Gaguzzi, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. Today I got my brother-in-law, John Castellotieri, who's going to show me how to show you how to use Instagram.
Thanks, Gigi. So, Instagram is a thing that lets you post pictures to your phone with the hopes that people like it.
Yeah, like the picture of little Serafino I got at his christening.
Ooh, that is a good one.
You saw that?
Yeah, the one at the church with the priest.
Did you like it?
Yeah, sure, I like it.
But you didn't like it.
Gigi, I like it.
But not like it.
What the hell is like it, like it?
I mean, you didn't like it in the sense you didn't press the like button like it.
So what?
Clearly you saw it, you remember very specific details about it, but then you actively scroll past it without taking a split second to press the like button? What are you, some kind of a fucking sociopath?
Why can't I just like it without liking it? What's the difference?
It's a public record of you liking it.
A public record.
And so if you like it like you say you like it, you wouldn't be afraid to press the like button and publicly like it. Unless, of course, you'd like it if no one knew you like it.
I didn't like it.
I don't like you! I don't like it! Get the fuck!